Hey, how's it going, Leo? It's Devin. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and thank you for speaking to me on the phone. I'm going to briefly show you 3 things I found on your website you can fix really easily so you can start beating Speedy AC because these guys show up on the first page, number 1, when you type in air conditioning installation Naples FL, and I know you're trying to rank for that, so I'm going to show you how to beat them. Now, I know you're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you, and it's really simple. There's a lot of small business owners out there that are so busy running their business, they don't have time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. The only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I make these attack plans and I give them away for free. A lot of business owners take this stuff and do it themselves, but some call me back and have me do it for them. Whatever you want to do with this is okay with me. This is free education. I'm going to talk to you about 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. And I want to start off by saying your website is awesome. Super unique logo, really nice design with this little fadeaway going on here. Having a video right on the front page is always a great idea to keep people there, and you've got a form right here to collect leads. It's a great design. Now, what Google cares mostly about is this stuff right here, the content that people can read, and they want to see a lot of it. So the average website has 2,000 words of content on the front page, and that's where you want to be starting. If I put your homepage into a word counter, you have 408. So you're going to want to get that up to the 2,000 word mark. If I go over to Speedy AC and we take all of their content and put it in, these guys have 869. So it's one of the reasons they're beating you, but by getting yourself to that 2,000 word mark, you're going to completely blow them out of the water. Now, one last quick tip: you want to put content or keywords inside of your content. A keyword is a phrase that somebody types into Google to find your business, such as air conditioning installation Naples FL. Now, I did take this from your page because that's what you have as your page title, but if I put it into your content, you don't have that anywhere in your content, which is really what's king in this industry. So you do have it up here. You can see it drops down. You can see it says it, but you want to make sure you put that in your content a couple times when you're writing the extra 2,000 words. So that's my first tip for you, Leo. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. This is really important. Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies vouching for yours, but they want to see relevant websites. So they're going to give you a lot more power if you have another HVAC company linking to you instead of having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't have to use it. It is a free tool. I just pay for, it's a paid tool. There are free tools out there though. If you want to use, like, look up backlink checker on Google, you can find that. Keyword planner, you can find that too. It's all on there. It says you have 30 referring domains, which just means 30 websites linking to you. If you go to Speedy AC, these guys have 129 websites linking to them. So what I would recommend you did was figure out all the websites that are linking to them and get them linking back to you. You just go visit this list of websites that are linking to them, go on these websites, and put a link to your homepage on them. Typically, you just have to create a profile and put a link in your profile, or maybe click the Contact Us button. But whatever they had to do, if you do that as well, and you beat them with both content and backlinks, that's how you become number 1 organically. If you want to become number 1 in the ads, you need to bid higher than your competitors. If you want to be number 1 in the Google My Business section, this is the best place to show up. It's where the most business goes, the most traffic goes. Getting here requires having more citations than your competitors. A citation's anywhere where your name, address, and phone number is listed in a directory. A directory is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, so just like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, stuff like that. I'd recommend you figure out what directories Conditioned Air was in, put yourself on those same ones, and then add a bunch on top. So if they were in 150 directories, I'd be putting myself in like 300. And that's all I've got for you, Leo. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep it short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you want 2,000 words on this homepage, and you want keywords like air conditioning installation Naples FL inside of that content. You're going to want to have more websites linking to you than Speedy AC. I would just copy the ones that are linking to them and get them linking back to you. So you have a total of 159. And then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Conditioned Air. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. I bet you're probably wondering, what do I do now? My recommendation is to just get started on this as soon as possible. It does take time to implement all this, and the sooner you get started, the sooner you start ranking, the sooner you start getting a lot more phone calls to your business. If you have any questions whatsoever, or if you just don't have the time to do this and you want somebody to help you get it taken care of, just give me a call. My phone number is right down here at the bottom right, and you can give me a call anytime. I'd be glad to answer any questions you may have and guide you in the right direction. Thanks for watching this video, Leo. I look forward to hearing your feedback, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.